In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. If you're managing a website on Squarespace and need to create a copy of an existing page, this tutorial is just what you need. Duplicating a page can be particularly handy when you want to maintain the same layout or structure but use different content. Let's dive in and make the process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace home menu. This is the central hub for managing your site, where you can access all the different parts of your website. Look for the website section, which is usually on the left side of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. Once you're in the website section, you'll need to locate the specific page you wish to duplicate. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of your site's pages. Scroll through this list to find the page you want to copy. Hover your mouse over the page title, and you'll notice a gear icon appearing next to it. This icon is your gateway to the settings for that particular page. Clicking on the gear icon will open the page settings panel. Here, you'll find a variety of options related to the page, but our focus is on the General tab. Navigate to this tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll find the Duplicate Page button. This button is your key to creating an exact replica of the existing page. Click on the Duplicate Page button, and Squarespace will take care of the rest. It will generate a copy of the page with all its content, layout, and design elements intact. This new page will appear in your list of pages, usually with a name like copy of original page name, but you can rename it to whatever you like. Finally, don't forget to confirm the duplication process. While Squarespace doesn't require an additional confirmation step, it's always good practice to double check that the new page has been created and is visible in your list. This way, you can make sure everything looks just the way you want it before moving on to make any necessary edits or updates. And there you have it. Duplicating a page in Squarespace is a simple, efficient way to replicate your existing designs and layouts, saving you time and effort. Whether you're expanding your website's content or experimenting with different versions of a page, this feature is incredibly useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips on managing your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.